I've been offline for a couple of days. I haven't been feeling very well. I'm still hacking up both my lungs. At this point. But I do have a Dollar Tree haul. So I'm just not very good at being away from my channel very often. If you know me, you've been around for a long time, I've been posting almost daily for, I think, like a solid 6 years now. So I don't know if it's FOMO. I don't know. I don't know what it is, but I just can't stay away. And 2 days, that's a very long time for me. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys this haul. And I've been thinking about how to do it. We're gonna keep it quiet. I'm gonna try to not talk as much. I don't know if we're gonna call this ASMR by any stretch of the means. I literally threw on this makeup because I just looked way too bad. But after this, I'm gonna go take it all off and I'm gonna go chill in bed. There was a time where I actually hauled in my bed when I was sick with my robe on and my sunglasses. Who remembers that? Who was there for that video? I don't know why I'm like this. I'm a Capricorn, so I'll put that out. The workaholic in me, or just that part of me, is always in full effect. So, I spent, and let me show you guys what I got. Actually, I was on the hunt for 2 things, and I found both of them. So, these are just refills, some cleaning gloves for Micah. She loves cleaning gloves. Then I found this set, which comes with a matching spray. So we have essential oils, wax melts, in this and that. And I'm really into this Velvet Peach. They both are kind of like a similar shade, and they both smell amazing. In my opinion, I think the packaging is really cute. It looks very luxe to me. And then they come with this odor neutralizer spray. So made with essential oils and upcycled ingredients. And I found the matching set. So I thought that was super cute. And then Micah, look, I got you some. Brace yourselves for these Easter eggs. These are bean-shaped eggs. I think they're so adorable. I love the pastel rainbow of it. I think that's really cute. But this one took my heart. PlayStation controllers. Is this what they use for that submarine situation? But this is so cute. I love these. I definitely got to use one of these in Micah's Easter basket. I don't know if I will end up doing that, but I want to. I am trying to keep her Easter basket very, very minimal this year because she actually doesn't want anything, but I can't do that because my love language is gift giving. So there's that. Then I found these are little Pop It toys. They are $1.25 and they're just a great sensory toy. And honestly, even if you don't have kids, this is actually like a stress-free like thing. Like, think of it like a stress ball, or if you like popping, you know, bubble mailer, this is like that. The little bunny, and these can be very expensive. I'm just telling you. So $1.25, run. This one's the best. And then you just like push a little, and then you push them back out. I love this one. And then a little rainbow Easter egg. adorable. But this one took the cake. They're little keychains. Wait. I gotta figure out what my thumbnail is before I open all this. Comes with a little keychain. It's a little bunny. How cute is that? Another favorite, the little mini carrot. Precious junk journaling. Junk journaling. The little baby chick. And then, you know, you pop it. And then a little tie-dye. They're not working very well, to be honest. I will say that. I don't think, okay. Those are so adorable to me. Of course, I'm gonna use mine for junk journaling. There's that. Then I picked up these little wands. I thought they were so adorable that I wanted to use them for junk journaling. Like, look how cute. Yeah, these are so precious. They're in the party section. They're like party favors. Yeah, but honestly, these are such a great little hidden gem for junk journaling. So there's that. Then I found this. This is definitely a run and go get this. This is a cheese slicer, a wire slicer, and the handle even looks like cheese. And this is heavy. Like, this feels like really good quality. Not that weight can symbolize quality, but it's nice and heavy. Then I found 2 new novelty pens, and if you don't know, I love collecting them from Dollar Tree. I know there has to be like a pink, maybe even a blue out there. But these were the only 2 I found, and the star does like turn around. So I'll just take this apart. Isn't that adorable? These are actually really, really pretty. And then, because I told myself if I ever saw them again, I was gonna get some backups, I just recently hauled these, and these are the cutest flashcards that I've seen come through Dollar Tree in a while. So I'm just gonna flip through some of them for you. So this is the Big Bird pack. That one is so adorable. I love the moon. Okay. Now let's do Count Chocula, whoever he is. I don't know what his name is. Alexa, what's the Dracula's name in Sesame Street?
Here is an answer from an Alexa Answers contributor well translated. It's Count Counting, and he loves to count.
Count Counting? And he is the counter, so I guess that makes sense. So adorable. So there's that pack. Let's do Elmo. I think Elmo's my favorite pack. Obviously, And then we have Cookie Monster. I also really like the Cookie Monster one as well. That is really cute. This one, I love this one. See, when I see this, I immediately, for whatever reason, think 4th of July. For my 4th of July junk journal, she is absolutely adorable. Like, look at her. I'm telling you, if you love junk journaling, these would be so adorable. The purple kind. Yeah, so, and you know that if I see them again, I will buy, and I'll continue to buy them for the next year. So just be prepared to see that and all the other hauls. Now, yeah, so like I mentioned, this was a $31.24 haul. And let me show you the last two things, and they were the two things I was looking for. These mugs. Are you joking? They're so stunning. The quality of them are just, it's actually insane. The inside is also lightly speckled, which I really like. I think it adds to, I don't know, it just adds a little something, and it kind of makes me feel like, I don't want to say Pottery Barn, but I'm definitely getting like Williams Sonoma or something somehow from these. Like this one is my favorite. I don't know, I just think that looks so chic, and they're all speckled on the inside, and then we have this print. So can I claim this as ASMR any longer? That was a little loud, but this one's my favorite. And then the last thing are actually seeds, but I really wanted to find these peppers, but this one specifically. They also have this one. As you can see the difference, this one does not have yellow in it, but this one does. And I think this one is so cute. I just decided to get, you get 4 for $1. So, 4 for $1.25. They changed even that. They used to be 4 for $1. Like not even that long ago. So they must have upped it to $1.25 just recently. But anyways, yeah, I love these to junk journal with, and the yellow is one of my favorite colors to junk journal with. I think it's such a great like signature to a vintage nod, almost like it used to be white, but then it turned yellow from aging. So I really love to look for anything yellow, but I wanted to show you guys the difference in the two seed packets. That is my Dollar Tree haul. I thank you for being here and watching me, even if I haven't been feeling the greatest, and I just can't help myself. I don't know honestly how to just sit and relax. I honestly rarely do it. I always have to be like up and around, and I know that's not the best thing, especially since you don't want to like relapse, you know, into being sick again. But I truly, like, it drives me insane to just like sit in bed. So just know this has helped me mentally. And I don't know if I'll be back tomorrow with another haul. I guess come back in, check in, see if I'm here. It just kind of like depends, but I feel like I'll be back tomorrow. Mike and I are gonna go do some Home Goods Hobby Lobby shopping, and I think I'm gonna take you guys along with us. So if you want to see Micah and hang out with us, I think that will be tomorrow. Again, it just kind of like depends on my strength level, because the fatigue is, she's strong today. Anyways, I'm gonna go try to relax. It won't happen, and I'll see you guys maybe tomorrow. Bye.